everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to lock the screen on a Galaxy Watch 4. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, my Galaxy Watch 4 does not have a lock on the screen. You can just swipe up and get right into the watch. But if you want to lock the screen, it's really easy to do. I would recommend that you lock the screen because it's a really great feature, and as it says, you'll see in a moment, it will stay unlocked as long as it senses that you're still wearing it. So it's really, really cool, totally worth it, but it all depends on your preference. But if you're watching this and you want to lock your screen, this is how you do it. So from here, you're going to swipe up. We're going to go to, this will open the app menu, obviously. We're going to go to the settings app right there, and we're going to go to security. Okay, so let's find security. There we go, security with the shield right there. We're going to tap security, okay? And as you can see right here, we have the option to lock. It also tells you that you can go to additional features that it thinks you might be looking for, which is a really cool thing. On a side note, if it senses you're looking for something that's not here, it'll tell you over here, which is kind of cool. But we're going to go to lock. Once again, let's make it open up again. We're going to go to lock. And our lock type right now is none. So we're going to change it to a certain type of lock. But it says once unlocked, your watch will stay unlocked as long as it detects that you're wearing it, okay? A snug fit will ensure steady detection. A loose fit may not work as well. So as long as it senses that you're wearing it, it'll stay unlocked, which is really, really cool. So we're going to go to lock type. Okay, now we have a few options. Okay, we have none, which is what I had it set to before. We have pattern or pin. And you can see right here, pattern says medium security. Pin says medium dash high security. I'm going to go for pattern to make it nice and easy. So I'm going to tap pattern. It tells me to draw my pattern. So I'm going to draw my pattern. I'm just going to go across the top and then down the right, just like that. Draw it again, across the top, down the right. Obviously, you draw your own pattern, set your own pin, whatever the case is. But you know, you're going to do your own thing, okay? So as you can see right now, we set our lock as the type, which is pattern, and that's it. We're going to go back to the home screen, and now when it locks, you know, it'll lock the screen, and then it's going to ask us for our pattern to unlock it, which is really, really cool. That's essentially it. So that's how to lock your screen on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It's actually really easy to do. So as you can see, it's asking us to draw the pattern. So I'm going to draw my pattern that I said, and it unlocked. There you go. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.